Hi, so I'm standing in front of a house that I helped design, decorate the inside of about 18 years ago. So at that time, my client wanted a European feel, like a, not country French, but just a European country home. So we did that, and it is a gorgeous home, but it was 20 years ago. And since then, it has just been lived in really well. They entertained all the time. It's got a gorgeous backyard and a gorgeous pavilion in the back. But now we're getting it ready to come to market. So things have changed in 20 years. So the medium walnut floors I put in, we want to change those. And the Venetian plaster we put on the walls, we want to change that. So I want to take you along the road of what I'm going to be doing to prepare it for market. So first of all, instead of keeping the walnut floors the medium brown, they need refinishing anyway. So we're going to lighten them. We're actually going to bleach them and make them very pale. And it's going to really bring this home up to today's buyers' standards and desires of just light and bright. And in the gold Venetian walls, we're going to paint probably a white, maybe decorator white from Benjamin Moore, and the ceilings same. So most of the background of the home is going to be white, and then with the pale walnut floors. What's going to be really neat and make this house pop is her light fixtures in this home are extraordinary. I mean, they're designer, they're antiques, they're one of a kind, so we want to keep them. But what's going to be really neat is that because of the light background and the pale floors, they're going to really pop. And I kind of got this idea to prepare this home this way because there's a designer in Houston that I follow and love, my Texas roots, and her name's Tara Shaw. And if you look her up on Instagram or her website, she uses antiques and antique lighting and furnishings and the pale floors and the bright white walls against all the antiques and the irons and stuff like that. So that's what I'm planning for here, and I think it's gonna be just a really, really neat transformation I've never done before. So I can't wait to show you guys along the way.